3D printing used to be a niche hobby for plastic dragons. Now it's spilling into every industry on Earth. Here's why it's finally hitting the mainstream. First, accessibility. These machines are finally plug and play. Second, utility. People are realizing it isn't just toys we're printing, replacement parts for appliances, custom tools, medical models. Third, customization. In a world of mass production, 3D printing lets you make something that fits your specific space or your specific problem. But the biggest trend, scale. We're moving past the desktop. We're seeing 3D printing in construction, aerospace, and even medicine. It's not just one trend, it's a stack that's happening at once, and exactly why I'm building the grounded layer right now. What do you think the biggest future of this tech is? Custom products, spare parts, or something else? Let's talk about it below.